Hi, my name is Kate and I'm one of our designers at Leapin Lizard Labels, and I'm going to show you how to add a bleed onto your label today. So let's just jump right into it.
So here we have our first example sticker, and on this example we've got a couple different lines that are going to explain a couple different things about our bleed. So first we've got this red line going around the outside edge of our sticker here, and that is actually our cut line. So that is going to be the final shape and the final size of our sticker. We also have this blue line going around the edge a little further away from our cut line, and that is going to show us where we need our bleed to extend to. So everywhere in between this red line and this blue line, so this area here is what is going to be our bleed area in the end. And so that's super important for us because this red line, the cut line, once our process is complete and our machines have cut out your labels, we want to make sure that everything flows along the edges of your stickers or your labels. And so we're going to need the background, whether that's an image, multiple shapes, or just a plain color like this one here. We're going to want that to extend all the way to that bleed line to make sure that everything flows perfectly. We've got a lot of wiggle room there to make sure that there's no white space on the edges of your labels when we're all done. So for this particular sticker here, all I'm going to do is grab the background and I am just going to extend that all the way to our bleed line there. So this way, once our printers have printed out your label, they're actually going to print this extra space, and then our cutting machines go through and they cut out this final shape along this cut line. So this way everything flows perfectly and your labels are going to look crisp and awesome. And that's how you do a bleed.